U Apostolic Nuncio jangka Vatikan, Bumi Hikmat Syah India bat Nepal, U Archbishop Leopoldo Grelli, Luan Poi Hanong Ba Shlong Mentagasngi, Kakat Sau Terik, bat Lapdiang Buram U daki Archbishop, Jong ki Jalan Yamba Baper ki badan hak than chatai lamingi jong keri India. Bat layadan ru hakani kajing Priang Buram da U Archbishop jong ka Shlong Archdiocese, U Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, UMP ka Shillong sa Lok Sabha ba Vincent H. Pala, kidikot ka Vocation Commission, kisamla ka SACYM, kilingdo abat kirunget jong ka jala nemba Shillong. Yau Archbishop Leopoldo Grelli, lalik siyaw nakakat lingswin ka Managawati, daw Father Pius Shadap, wadu Father Richard Majau, badai Vicar General, ka jala nemba Shillong, wadu Lawan Poi Hanong Ba, hakapor RBG AA Mentagasngi.
Welcome. Good afternoon. This is MP. Welcome to my
Yes. Ready?